Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings and Stampin' Camp with Mary. Today is simple stamping again, and I want to show you a card that it's a little stepped up from simple stamping. We're using masking, but all we're using is ink, cardstock, and stamps. So this is what we're using is we're going to be using the Winter Woods stamp set. We are going to be using, I'm going to be using soft suede. Where's my soft suede? And my shaded spruce, okay? I have also, on the Winter Woods, I have also made a mask. Now what you do is you stamp the stamp on a piece of note paper, and what you want to do is make sure it's got a sticky, so you can use it. I just put some glue on here, but you can use it, since I didn't bring post-it notes, but you can use post-it notes with it too, as long as it fits. I'm going to be using the Stamparatus, and what you want to do is you want to stamp. The first thing is you want to stamp what is out in front. So I am going to stamp the pine tree first, and I'm going to stamp that with shaded spruce. Okay. Where's my shaded spruce? Okay. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to stamp that. Make sure it's in the corner, Mary. Okay. Now, being that you may want to use your magnets, I'm not using the magnets here. Let's put a little more oomph on that one. That's what's great about using the Stamparatus. If you don't get enough ink on it the first time, just re-ink it and stamp it again. There. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my mask over that, just like this. Then I'm going to put my trees where I want my trees. I'm going to pick that up. Then I'm going to put those with early espresso, or not early espresso, soft suede. Take that off. My soft suede is coming. These little spots are not sponge, they're linen, so they come off. Okay. And then I am just going to in there, you remove your mask, and you have like those trees are in the background and the pine tree is in the foreground. Simple stamping. Using the Stamparatus, you could make a lot of these without having to reposition all the time, which I really think is a good one. Remember to follow me on YouTube. All the information to make this card is down below. I made it on the gold foiled edged cards and envelopes we have. I think simple stamping, it just pops out a little more on those envelopes and cards. So make sure you get these because they're only available for a short time more, because they're I believe they're only in the holiday catalog. So please order all your Stampin' Up! Products from me. I'd appreciate that. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.